Hey guys, Rob from Andrews Motorsports again, here for another tour of the shop. This time we are in the fabrication and chassis repair side, so let's take a look. Here we have our rear end housing jig. These things seem to get bent all the time. Not sure what happens on the racetrack, but stuff happens. We cut them apart and fix them. No big deal. Make them nice and straight, and then over here we pressure check them, make sure we don't have any oil leaks after we're done with them. Then we have a chassis jig that we do everything, everything we need to on. A lot of front clips. Anything that gets wrecked, we can usually straighten it out and fix it up and get it ready to head to the racetrack. Another thing we should show, glass cabinet and vapor honing cabinet. It's a new kind of a new thing on cleaning up aluminum parts for engines, so it leaves a nice shiny finish after we're done with them. Looks brand new, factory showroom fresh. We'll go back around here and show you welders, bandsaw, lathe, pretty much everything you need for metal working. Stays back here where it gets kind of dirty. Got boring bars for cylinder work over here, a mill, and then some more housings. Like I said, they get bent a lot, so we are here to straighten them out. Thanks for joining me, and we will see you next time.